to download, like how to perform CRUD operation and attachments in CAPM. So let's get started. So we are going to create a CAPM project. Add a module name, add the basic configuration required. Is the minimum sample. Now we are going to add the basic configuration series. Add the required configuration for HANA. Auth will keep it as mark. So our basic configuration is ready. Now we are going to add our attachment entity here. So for attachments, we need the key properties that we will need is ID, file content, and MIME type, and file name. So we are going to add only those properties here. File name, we are going to put something. We are going to add the other required properties. The file content, we are going to be using that. And the required annotations for this is as follows. So for MIME type, we are going to add 4. That is MIME type, is media type. That's true. For file content, we are going to add 2 more annotations. So dot media type, implement stating that what media type the file content is going to contain. So we are going to use this property, file type, and we are going to add the file name. So content disposition dot file name, which is our name property. So now we have added the annotation successfully. Now we are going to expose this. into our SRE. So now we had added it in our SRE folder as well. Now we are going to create a sample base with the same name. And add the basic configuration. Now we are ready with the setup. Now all we need to do is add our database here. So for that we are going to use the following command. Also in JS code, since we need to add our custom URL, we are going to add the following configuration. So now let's check this data factory service. It has been created successfully. Now we are going to bind it. Here we are going to add a property, replace the data factory URL. The link that we are going to fetch is from while we perform serious work. So that link would be similar to here we are going to add the property that we are going to get from here. This is a file. And add the ID from it. So now our basic configuration is ready. We can perform video search profile update. Open. Since we haven't deployed it, we are facing this error. So we will deploy and then perform the same again. So our basic service is ready. Now we are going to add our configuration, test configuration to perform current operation. So for that, we are going to use the following command. Now the configurations have been added in the HTTP folder. Also, since we are going to add a PDF for now, so we are going to upload the PDF file here. Since we are not using any sort of authentication, we will just remove that piece of code wherever we are performing things. So here we have to name our adapter file. Mine type will get the PDF. We are going to name it application as PDF. URL, since we are generating on create, we are going to keep it empty. ID as well. So now for posting attachment, we do it via two-way procedure. First, we post the other contents, which is the name, my type, etc. And then we perform a put operation where we post our file content. And that link is similar to the link here. So we are going to copy this link and here in content type, since we are using PDF, we have to add application/PDF. And now to fetch the file content, we are going to use this symbol and preceding with the slash, we are going to add www. So the basic configuration is almost ready. So now we will perform our post operation. So it has been created successfully, but as you can see, there is no file content here. So now we are going to add that. Now we will deploy the following. Since I had binded the same database, it should work after deployment as well. Okay, now the application has been deployed successfully. Now you can pick our attachment entity, and from there you can paste our URL. You can check it is working properly. So our PDF file got downloaded. So that is it for today.